Okay, this is going to be the sheep heart dissection video on identifying different parts of the sheep heart from the list that was posted, sheep heart and modeling label. You should also be able to identify these structures on the model heart, but I am not, they are not going to be on this assignment. This is just focusing on identifying on the sheep heart. So first and foremost, I want to identify this chamber right here. So what is the name of this chamber? Okay. And while we're here, go ahead and name this chamber. And we're going to continue with the chamber. So what would be this chamber on this side? This chamber. And then what is this chamber? Okay. So that finishes the 4 chambers. So what is this structure right here? What are these little things right here? And then what muscle do they attach to right here? What is the name of this muscle here? And then what is the name of this particular valve? Okay. So what is the name of this muscle right here, this pitted muscle looking stuff? What is this name? And then what is the name of the muscle that lines that is in this area? What is the name for this structure? Not what muscle is it, but what is this structure right here? Okay. Then we're going to go to layers of the heart. So what layer of the heart is this? And then what layer is the brown? What's the name of the layer that's in brown? And then what's the name of this layer on the inside? I've done all that. I should have been using this heart. Okay. So orient yourself to this heart. So figure out which chamber is what. Okay. So I want to know the name of this valve right here. What is the name of this valve? Okay. And then this is the anterior surface of the heart, and I'm opening up this vessel, and there's a valve in here. Hopefully this valve that you can see right here. What is the name of this valve? And just in case you were wondering, it comes out right here. So, oh, that was the vessel. What's the name? I'm sorry. What's the name of this valve? So I just need the name of that valve right there. And then here's our last heart. So orient yourself. So you should be determining what's the left side of the heart and what's the right side of the heart. And where are my left ventricles and right ventricles and left atria and right atria? So I'll show you there's these right here. Okay, that's separating this. So this is a vessel right here. I don't want to know the name of this vessel, but I'll show you. Okay, here we go. So here's this vessel right here. I want to know the name of this valve, this little flap, this valve right here that separates this chamber from this vessel. Okay, so this would be the 4th valve that we've gone over. Okay, so now we're going to look at actual blood vessels. So let's go ahead and name this vessel right here that we were talking about, that this valve closes. So here's the vessel, here's the front part of the heart, here's the vessel here. It's connected to this vessel, so this vessel comes off of it. These are connected together. But what main vessel is this? So from the top, it looks like this. Okay, from the inside. So I want to know what main vessel that is. While we're at it, I'm just going to use this. Here's this whole heart. And there's this vessel. Right here. You really can't see. Okay, so it's still this vessel right here. So this is the anterior surface of the heart. I want to know what vessel this is, and it goes in this chamber right here. Okay, so what vessel is this that comes across the front of the heart? On this heart right here, it's this vessel right here that goes deep into the heart. So you can see this side of it. Okay. So that's two vessels. So while we're here, we can go ahead and identify this vessel that goes into this structure right here. Okay. So this is it on this heart. On this heart, I'm trying to find it on another heart. Okay, so on this heart, here's the same vessel that I'm asking about. Okay, so right here, it's on the back side of the heart, and it enters this chamber right here. Okay, and it's still this vessel right here. And then our last vessel, so orient yourself. This was the front of the heart. I'm flipping it over to the back, kind of on the side. And then this is my last vessel right here, the last one that I need to do. This is it from this view. And then from trying to find it from another view. It's kind of a hard one to find after the heart's been dissected. Okay, so here it is from this view. This is the same one. So here it is. This would be the, here's the heart. So this is the back of the heart. And it's this vessel right here. You can see it from this view. And it obviously enters this chamber right here. Okay. So that was our vessels. So now we just go to, what is this part of the heart called? What is this part of the heart? What brownie ear-looking thing is this? And then there's this one right here. So you do need to distinguish left and right. So from this perspective, let's look at this heart. Okay, so here's the anterior surface of the heart. What is this structure right here? And then what is this structure right here? And that should have got all of them. Good luck. Thanks.